Hi, welcome back. Today I will show you how to use the calendar view to see all deadlines on Trello on your iPhone 12. So let's start. Okay, so there's two options, but they're all for premium version. We don't have this, but I will show you where you can find this one. So first one, we need to go to the planner, and here you can add in any events you want. Trello will also notify you about the going event. The second one, you can connect the calendar with a board, but you also need a premium version, so I just will show you how. You need to go to the boards and find board you want to add the calendar in. And if you have a premium version, you'll have it somewhere there, or maybe in the settings here. So that's all. Thank you for watching and see you later.